Ingĩ itemi-inĩ rĩa kũmatia ndũgũ gatagatĩ ga Kenya na mabũrũri mangĩ. President William Ruto nĩacemanĩtie na mabũrũri thingira-inĩ wa iregi. Gĩikaro gĩkĩ gĩũkĩte mwaka ũmwe thutha wa president kwĩranĩra atĩ nĩkĩrĩtabanagio rita rĩmwe o mwaka na nĩatũgĩrĩtie ndũgũ ya Kenya na mabũrũri mangĩ. Akĩongerera atĩ gũkinyĩria rĩu ndũgũ ĩno ĩtambĩte kũrĩ ũbarũthi wa mabũrũri 70.
Building up on the foundations you have and prosperous New Year 2026. Countries around the world. Union stand proudly 2017 and successfully completed last year. Technology, human resource, logistics and procurement.
We have built a republic that continues to win respect of our peers globally. In this regard, Kenya will continue honoring her international obligations in tandem with foreign policy guidance of His Excellency the President, and also in accordance with our constitutional mandate.
This gathering, therefore, offers us a timely opportunity to reflect together on the significant developments of the past year at the national level, on the regional front, and we all understand what has been going on globally, so that we may proceed with a shared understanding of the realities shaping our relations and our responsibilities.